For me, my favorite moment when building a robot was when the build and the code worked together to make the robot work.
My favorite moment when building this robot was just after we got it designed for the very first time, and we had got the first layer of programming done, and we set it right up on the board, and it worked for the first time, and everything was coming together, and that was an amazing moment.
Just being around people who had the same interests as me.
So my favorite part about building this robot was the chance to get to work with people I haven't met before. So during First Robotics, I got to meet a ton of new people and get a chance to make new friendships.
My greatest struggle was coping with the fact that a robot would forever have a bad wheelbase.
The greatest struggle was definitely with experimenting with different gear ratios, specifically when they didn't correspond to the holes of the Lego pieces, as well getting the drivetrain correct on our robot, especially with having the each side being pulled in to have a strange camber was specifically difficult to correct.
Definitely the wheel system.
So my greatest struggle probably was trying to work within the design parameters. You're very limited in the materials that you've been given, and it is difficult to figure out how to only use the 4 motors and the 2 sensors that you're able to use on the brick.
I learned that nothing ever goes right the first time.
So I improved more on learning about gear ratios and also about camber and different ways to solve these issues as well. It was just great collaborating with everyone and learning how to build robots and some programming as well.
Definitely shows you about the design process during robotics. You definitely have a lot of ideas that won't work, and you have to learn to abandon an idea and not sink too much time into it.